Here the question is the wavelength and intensity of light emitted by LED depends upon only forward bias or energy gap, or forward bias and energy gap, or energy gap of the semiconductor and reverse bias. So we are going to check whether only forward bias or reverse bias, or forward and energy gap of the semiconductor, or reverse bias and energy gap of the semiconductor, or only energy gap or only forward bias. Right. So we know that the wavelength and intensity of light emitted by LED depends upon both energy gap and forward bias. When the diode is forward biased, generally it will emit photons. So the wavelength of the emitted light depends upon both energy gap and forward bias of the semiconductor. So the correct answer is forward bias and energy gap of the semiconductor. So option A is the correct answer.